Good afternoon, and thank you for joining the Refreshing Point. I hope that you are doing well. I will be sharing with you oil remedies for natural pain management. Many herbs and essential oils have natural anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can be used to help mend your muscles and soothe the pain. There are many options that work for muscle pain relief, with each having their own benefits. These oil recipes use just the right combination of these herbs and essential oils, which can help with muscle pains, strains, bruises, arthritis, menstrual cramps, and more. Make this quick and easy pain-relieving oil, and when needed, apply to the affected area. Coconut oil has many medicinal properties, including a reduction of inflammation in inflamed muscles and joints. Coconut oil has high levels of lauric acid, which helps reduce inflammation. A study looked into the antioxidant properties of coconut oil, found that extracts from it was just as effective as medication. Salt contains essential electrolytes that improve nerve signaling to prevent muscle pain. If you suffer from intense pain or arthritis, consider switching the Himalayan salt for Epsom salt, which is high in pain-relieving magnesium. Camphor reduces swelling in certain body parts, but also helps in boosting the blood circulation, thereby relieving you of strain in the joints. Its cooling properties help reduce the irritation and reduce joint and muscle aches. In addition, camphor helps numb the nerve ends, as it is easily absorbed by the skin and provides relief. Rosemary is a well-known muscle pain reliever and can help reduce swelling in strained muscles. The herb has 4 anti-inflammatory properties, which can help calm inflamed muscle tissue and help speed up the healing. If you prefer to use herbs, then try making this herb-infused oil. I have already discussed the pain-relieving benefits of coconut oil and rosemary. They are also included in this recipe. Arnica is a well-known anti-inflammatory herb that really works miracles on sore muscles, sprains, arthritis, and bruises by helping to improve the local blood supply and speeding up healing. St. John's wort is one of the best nerve vines around. It is also great for nerve pains and spastic muscles. The warming abilities of ginger help to improve circulation and relieve tension in tired muscles. Comfrey helps to repair tears and sprains, while also reducing inflammation and soothing pain. Peppermint relieves pain and reduces inflammation. The minty fresh cooling effect can really help the pain go away. When cayenne is used topically, it can help relieve all sorts of pain, from neuropathy, back pain, muscle spasms, menstrual cramps, and even arthritis. You don't have to turn to medication for pain management. Instead, use these pain-relieving oils for your aches and pains. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.